Welcome Fam Bam, it's Sienna, and today I'm going to be showing you this little vlog. We're going to talk about 4 quick and easy, simple house hacks, DIY projects that make a massive difference to the appearance of your home to elevate your style. I'm switching up my house again before I do like a full house tour for you guys, but oh, hello there. It is I, the courtesan of class, and I am here to help you, darling. I give you all my tips and tricks on how to be a high-status woman like me. Now, unless you're going to go out and rob a bank or become an heiress all of a sudden, I know that a lot of you do not have the bank account that perhaps I do. But that doesn't mean you have to smell bad. In fact, I'm going to let you in on a little secret, how to smell rich. The secret is Dossier. Dossier is a designer dupe perfume brand that make perfumes that smell exactly like original designer perfumes at a fraction of the cost. So why spend hundreds of dollars on a designer perfume when you can get the same smell for $29? When you get your box, make sure that you spray it. See if you like the smell, and if you do not, you can return it and exchange it for another perfume. It's easy to feel rich and bougie because you can have an array of perfumes, all for the cost of one single designer perfume. Your most difficult decision will be which perfume to try. So try them all. Spray everywhere. Your whole house, your whole body, every part. Spray to your heart's content, darling, because we don't have to scrimp. They also make fabulous gifts. Make sure to check the description box for the links and any discount codes. Okay, now that that's out of the way, thank you, Courtesan of Class, for showing us our sponsor for this week. We're going to talk about curtains, piping or trimming, electrical devices on your computer and your kitchen. Let's get started. Pretty much the things that I'm focusing on in this video. 1, changing my curtains. I wanted to lift the level of my curtains from the level of the window to above about probably, I want to say they're like a good foot above the window now, which adds so much height and makes the room look so much more impressive. You will see that. All right, we're headed out to Ikea, our favorite place. Returning some stuff, looking for some new stuff. I'm obsessed with plants now, so we might get a plant to hang over the television. And I had to take my nails off because we're going to be drilling into the wall. We're raising the curtains up and I need to be able to help. And I wasn't able to help before. Bitch. Road rage.
Everybody's an idiot.
I know. Let's go. All right, Meech and I are starting. We have our new Ikea plants. We have our drill. We're moving the curtains up to the ceiling. We are hoping that this gives a more elevated look to the space and draws your eye up and really shows off the tall ceilings. Let's go. Shit, you guys, it looks so amazing. It just makes the whole room look so grand compared to this dinky side now. Oh, putrid. I've done a backup so you guys, the house is a mess obviously, but like from a distance, look at how that just draws your eye up to the ceiling. That is just stunning. The chandelier looks even prettier now. It ties in the pink from the throne. Wow. Wow. You guys, once these window treatments went up, first of all, I switched the color of them. So they are a brighter pink. They are a velvet pink. We got these on Amazon, super affordable. I think it was like $178 for 4 separate panels. It really made a massive difference to the room, like incredibly stunning. I can't even believe how good it was. The next thing I'm focusing on is my fireplace. So my fireplace was this super bland, just cream color, really classic. I loved it, it was great, but you know, I'm ready to move into my maximalist lifestyle. So I decided to put a gold trim all over this entire fireplace. I used a peel and stick trim. It's like a rubber rope and it worked magnificently. I then hand painted certain parts of the fireplace as well with acrylic paint. It just literally upgraded the entire fireplace. It looks so beautiful, so custom. And now I'm going to add like a type of, I don't know how to explain it, but I want to put like a crown molding above the fireplace as well. Okay. After the fireplace, I was like, I need to do something with this kitchen. This kitchen has been so bland for so long. I'm so over it. Therefore, I got peel and stick wallpaper to put on the kitchen. This was, you know, a little bit of a task because my walls are textured, so they don't necessarily go on the best, but it kind of looks like really cool. Actually, the textured part. And I'm attempting to try out this brushed gold sticky paper. I want it to look like the bar. So the bar has this beautiful gold finish, and I want the bar to look the same as the kitchen so that it looks cohesive, as if it's an island in the kitchen. So Michi had a good idea that I, of course, didn't think of. It's so obvious, but before you put on the sticky paper, you really want to make sure that you take off these things so you don't have to cut around. You can just kind of be a little bit messier on the wall, and then when you put this on, it's gonna look super crisp and perfect. I really honestly don't know what I'm doing, so we're just kind of experimenting. Oh my god, that one was so stuck on there, Meech. So this is supposed to be like renter-friendly paper that you just peel off the back of it. We're just gonna take a crack at it.
Say crack again.
Crack. Why? You're so silly.
It's from Mean Girls. Oh, so shiny.
It's super thin. No, we definitely want to go across. So I want to measure this out. It looks like it fits. Like, I think I should line it up to the top and then cut it on the bottom, or should I line it up on the bottom and cut it to the top?
No, you definitely want the
so that
cut
it's
to
more
be
hidden.
on the top.
So
that
hidden,
way,
right?
yeah, because you're not going to be able to get a perfect cut.
Okay, so Meech measured it, and now he's cutting it all along so that it is the exact height that we need to put in there. Great thing about me and Meech is that our brains work opposite, so we make amazing compliments to one each other. I am so delirious right now. We have been putting up curtains all day. It was a whole fiasco. We had to clean all the windows. It was like, anyway. At first, when we were putting it up, first of all, here's our beautiful little wall. Isn't it so cute? It's coming out really good. And I love how the texture is actually showing through. So in order to get it like this, at first we were getting a ton of these little striations and bubbles and lines, and we were trying to do it with like a flat edge to make it flat like wallpaper, but it doesn't work on a textured wall like this. So actually the best thing to do was to just rub my hands across the wall and just keep rubbing it. It seems to work, so I'm gonna keep going. And I have to keep like pushing it down as time goes on because it does seem to lift a little bit. But you know what? For what, like $6 a roll, and I used 2 rolls. This was like the cheapest DIY I think I've ever done, and it makes a massive impact. So I'm going to show you guys the before and after pictures of everything so that you can see exactly what I did. There's going to be a full tour coming, and then I'm switching up all of my decor. I know, crazy. Yeah, I know. It's happening. Oh, I almost forgot that I also used a contact paper in a matte white to cover my stereo speakers, and they were on my desk. They looked so hideous, so ugly, and I really wanted to kind of like help disguise them a little bit, and it looked so good when I was done with it. So I'm going to show you the before and after. It looks so clean. I highly recommend you finding a contact paper that matches your desk and put it on your speakers or any kind of electrical equipment that is sitting on your desk that's just an eyesore. Well, thanks for watching, you guys. Make sure to check out Dossier Perfumes down below, and I'll see you guys in another video really soon. Bye!